There are 5 benefits to including a ladybird deed in your estate plan. Benefit number 1 is you are not providing or giving a present gift. And what this means is, with a ladybird deed, you're just naming a beneficiary onto the title of the property so that when you pass away, the gift is actually going to be completed. That's different from if you give someone a gift today and you actually hand it over to them. With this type of gift, the gift doesn't actually happen until you pass away. And the reason why that's really great is because, one, there's control involved in that because you still own the property during your life. But even more importantly, the 5-year Medicaid look-back rule does not apply because, again, it is not a present-day gift. It is a gift that's happening in the future when you pass away. Benefit number 2 is, with a ladybird deed, you maintain full control of your real estate. And this is because you are actually just naming a beneficiary to that property. With a ladybird deed, if you change your mind and you decide that you want to sell that property, maybe you want to relocate to another state, or you want to downsize or even upsize, or maybe you might need to take out a mortgage or refinance your existing mortgage. If you have a ladybird deed, you would be free to go ahead and make those changes. Benefit number 3 is you avoid creditors. With a ladybird deed, the property or ownership of the property will transfer to your beneficiaries as soon as you pass away. All they actually have to do is record a copy of your death certificate with the county clerk in the county where the property is located, and that will automatically transfer ownership to them. So as a result, any creditors that you owe, except for creditors that have a relationship to the property, so for example, your mortgage lender, they don't apply to this rule that I'm giving you. But any other creditors, any other people that you owe, they will not be able to attach that property or look to that property in order to be reimbursed for whatever it is you died owing them. And benefit number 4 is really about the difference between a traditional life estate deed and a ladybird deed. With a traditional life estate deed, you are actually transferring ownership of that property to those beneficiaries immediately, and you are reserving or keeping a life estate that allows you to remain in that property until you pass away. But here's the problem with that. If you change your mind in the future, let's say you want to mortgage that property or you want to sell that property, with a traditional life estate deed, you will actually need the consent of those remainder men. On the other hand, with a ladybird deed, you maintain complete control of the property and ownership of the property until you pass away. Benefit number 5 is probate avoidance. With a ladybird deed, what you are doing is adding a beneficiary to the title or ownership of your property. And that beneficiary isn't going to receive their ownership until you pass away. But all they have to do when you pass away is record a copy of the death certificate in the county where the property is located, and that will automatically transfer ownership over to them, well, to their name. And as a result, they will not need probate in order to become the owners of that property. Hi, I'm Alecia C. Daniel, owner of Genesis Law, and if you are in need of estate planning or probate assistance in the state of Florida, click on the link in my bio, go to schedule a consultation, and let's get started.